Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Buster in resin. Achieving a perfectly clear, bubble-free resin finish is crucial for professional results. Bubbles can really spoil the look and even weaken your beautiful creations. A Bubble Buster is your secret weapon, working by reducing the surface tension of the resin, which allows those pesky air bubbles to rise and pop, leaving you with a smooth, pristine surface every time. There are a few excellent tools for tackling bubbles. Heat guns and small butane torches are popular choices, using gentle heat to bring bubbles to the surface where they burst. Alternatively, specialized defoaming sprays offer a chemical solution, reducing surface tension to release trapped air. Each method has its advantages, so select the one that best suits your specific resin project and comfort level for optimal results. For the best results, always pour your resin slowly and mix it thoroughly to prevent many bubbles from forming initially. When using heat, move your heat gun or torch quickly and evenly across the resin surface. Keep the heat source about 6 to 10 inches away to avoid overheating. If you are using a spray, a very light, even mist is all you need to effectively eliminate those stubborn surface bubbles. For truly professional, bubble-free results, try working in a warm environment, ideally between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, as this reduces resin viscosity. For highly critical projects, a pressure pot can completely eliminate all microbubbles. If you still see bubbles, simply reapply your Bubble Buster. Remember, patience and careful technique are your best friends for achieving that stunning, crystal-clear resin finish every single time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.